You probably heard that schools are open for term 2, but most of the students will be doing remote learning at home. As parents, you are probably wondering, what does this remote learning look like at our school? How can you, as parents, support your child's learning at home? What's up everyone, it's Thomas here, bringing you another video tutorial on how you can help your child access activities in Seesaw. The teachers of MOGS have been busy preparing to provide students with at-home learning activities. Some of these at-home learning activities will be done through the materials provided in the take-home boxes. However, for the majority of the students, it will be through the activities in Seesaw. First, you will need to sign into the Seesaw class using the QR code or the 12-letter text code that was provided to you by your school. For more instructions about this, please watch this video found in your school bag app, Seesaw Family app, or the Facebook page. After you have signed into your child's Seesaw account, if you look to the right panel, you will see 3 options: Journal, Activities, and Inbox. Click on the tab that says Activities. This will let you see the activities that have been assigned to your child by your teacher. You can read the instructions for the activities by clicking this box here. We would like your child to respond to the activities by creating a Seesaw post. This will let the teachers know that their activities are being completed by their students, and this also allows them to provide written and verbal feedback when their work is submitted. To do this, scroll down the page until you see a green box called Add a Response. This will open up the activity for your child to show their work in. To read and listen to the instructions, click on the button that says View Instructions. Now if you look to the panel at the left, your child has different ways to show their thinking. They can type their words and sentences by pressing the text box option. They can record their voice as a narration by pressing the microphone and speaking to the microphone and recording it. They can take photos using the device's inbuilt camera and submit this. And they can also upload photos of their work. They can add shapes and change the background of their work. This is a captions button, and it lets your child leave a caption that describes what their work is about. If your child needs more time and needs to save their work because they're not finished yet, they can click on the button that says Draft. This will allow them to save their work so that they can come back to it and finish it at a later time. When they are finished and ready to submit their work to their teachers, they just have to click on the green tick on the top right-hand corner. When they do this, the child's teacher will then receive their work and they will be provided with timely feedback regarding their work. And there you have it. And hopefully you're able to see how your child's learning can be supported at home using Seesaw Activities. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Thomas and it has been a pleasure to have helped you. Remember to stay at home, stay safe, and look after everyone. What's up everyone, Thomas here, bringing you another video tutorial on how you can help. What's up everyone, Thomas here, bringing you another video tutorial on how you can help your child access their Seesaw activities. Help your child access activities in Seesaw. help your child with their Seesaw activities.